My next always comes from God. Suddenly things just happen, and I'm always kept in the offing by Him. Everything came as a gift for me. You know, today also wherever I go, everywhere Badal Pe Paun is playing, every school, every college, everything. I'm kept like there by God with my songs, with my work, which is social activity. बहुत खुशी है मुझे कि आई एम in New Delhi for the CIFF, the Celebrating India Film Festival, organized by Graphisarts. Mukesh Gupta ji's Graphisarts and his team. Mukesh Gupta ji is a very good human being. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मायने रखता है कि ह्यूमन कैसे हो. तो मैंने देखा है उनमें बहुत प्यार और इज्जत और कुछ अच्छा करने का सबके लिए एक ड्राइव है. जहाँ मैं कहती हूँ जहाँ प्यार है सच्चा वहाँ भगवान होता है. So I feel that that this person is somebody who should be supported by all the good people if there are in this world, and if I can also be there for him, it is such a pleasure that I can do this, and I'm here, and I'm happy to be here. Actually, my life was literally written by God, and of course, I landed in Bollywood because of my winning the Grand Prix in Germany, competing with 21 countries. I was really young, and I thought it would be a smooth ride, but I was just walking out of studios and walking out of studios after my name being on the front page of every newspaper in the world, because from Germany, the PTI had sent the news all over the world. But still, I was walking out of studio. They were saying, "Kitna acha awaaz hai," and then there was the प्रस्ताव that I would not accept. Parents को promise किया था कि आपकी इज्जत बरकरार रखूंगी, और ये भी उसूल था कि भगवान के बताए रास्ते पे चलूंगी. तो being a social activist from childhood, I am still a very strong one, and such a social activist कि मैं ready हूँ मरने के लिए मेरे social causes के लिए, एकदम निडर और full of selfless सेवा. And today जो चीज़ें होती है that hurts, but at that time it was a struggle. मेरे parents का सपना to be a known singer, वो fulfill करना है, और walking out of studios all the time, broken completely. और तभी you're given a song called Avara Bhavre. A couple of 2-3 music directors also were good, who had given me kindly and decently some songs. So Avara Bhavre reached a height which is immeasurable. और उसके बाद ऐसा लगा कि अभी तो सारे गाने मेरे पास आएंगे, इतना बड़ा हो गया था आवारा भवरे. लेकिन वापस रिगमरोल, वापस वही चीज़ें कि what is the expectation from me as a, sadly to say, ये आपका कर्म भी होता है कभी कभी कि हर इंडस्ट्री में अच्छे बुरे लोग होते हैं. इन्होंने किया, आप नहीं कर रहे हो, आप ऊपर से नीचे आई हैं. मैंने कहा पता नहीं यार, तो मैं कहाँ से आई हूँ कि मुझे नहीं करना ये.
म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर्स,
हाँ, पक्की गोवा से तो आई थी मैं. गोवा की हूँ. kept the izzat of my Goa at the highest, kept the izzat of my parents at the highest, and being today a devotee of Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankar, Pujya Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankar ji, who is the proven greatest humanitarian of the world. I think I'm made like this because I am his janmo mein his devotee maybe. I'm an art of living teacher also today. And I can be the only singer who won the Grand Prix in Germany. I can be the only singer who UNICEF concert mein perform kiya hai, India ki singer, who has been invested in by Hollywood, the only singer who Hollywood has invested in. The music mogul of Hollywood, Tony Mercedes, the man who was the publisher of Shape of You, Ed Sheeran Shape of You, invests in Hema Sardesai and says in New York, I recorded in a studio in LA where late Michael Jackson used to record his songs. And the recording engineer was another Grammy Award winner from Shrek movies, Jared Lee Gosselin. And he's in New York, Tony Mercedes, after the recording and videoing of the song. And he says in the press meet, I've worked with Shakira, I've worked with Pink, I've worked with Beyonce, I've worked with them all, but Hema Sardesai, she's not just a magnificent singer, she's a great human being and I respect her. The song is something most people dance on and it's a big and huge hit. But for me, it was the person who made TLC. Scrubs, No Scrubs with another Grammy Award he won. TLC, the group. Then Tony Braxton was in LaFace Records. And that's where Tony Braxton was made. Right. So this gentleman is called Music Mogul of Hollywood. So when he looks up at you as, says, my angel singer, magnificent singer, great human being, I respect her. Right. How many singers in Bollywood and Hollywood, the music people will say, are respectful? My next always comes from God. Suddenly things just happen and I'm always kept in the offing by Him. Everything came as a gift for me. You know, today also wherever I go, everywhere Badal Pe Paun is playing, every school, every college, everything. I'm kept like there by God with my songs, with my work, which is social activity. अभी मैं आती हूँ तो पिया क्या प्रॉब्लम है यहाँ, पिया सबको पूछती रहती हूँ, या मैडम गड्ढे बहुत हैं, तो मैं पूछ रही हूँ, इतना प्यार से, इतनी विश्वास से वोट जब आपके ऊपर जाता है तो आपको पहले जब हम घर से बाहर निकालते हैं तो रास्ते पे पाँव रखते हैं, वो रास्ता आप ठीक नहीं करोगे तो कौन सी प्रगति हो रही है देश की? राइट। और कौन से रास्ते, अरे वो आउटस्कर्ट्स में हैं, वो इसमें, अरे वो एक एक शख्स हमारे भारत का इम्पोर्टेंट है यार. Every person of India is important enough that you give him a good road at least. Why should he fall with his scooter when he's an older man and break his back? Why should he fall and break his head? Why should his scooters, why should our cars, today our middle class people are doing, if they're getting money, they buy cars. Of course the rich will always buy, but middle class, and then you have their cars, tires and their cars getting smashed with, going to a certain, suddenly a gadda in the middle. How evil is that? Insaniyat kahan gayi yaar?
Is politics the next
Politics was never in the offing. I have a great, I had a great say in the making of the National War Memorial, which has happened after 20 years. I was one of the jury members, and I remember calling the Raksha Mantri, late Manohar Parrikar ji, and saying mission accomplished. So one who's fearless can do things that where God stands in front of you and gets things done. Right. You know, so it's like that. And